Hello students. Today again I am going to teach you artificial intelligence. You can see this is the same curriculum of CBSE and half of the things I have explained you that what are the things are there in AI. So you can see this is a flow chart where you can see technical skills for AI, life skills from AI, for life skills in application, technical skills, AI readiness concept. Readiness concept means we are using some apps which are ready to give us response based on our input. I told you that artificial intelligence is the branch of computer science which helps to learn the which helps to train the machine. It has some domain like NLP, it has machine learning, computer vision. So what are the things AI can do? Applying concepts in learning technical skills. Yesterday I told you that we have some problems which are caused by AI and some the solution are some algorithms, and also we will be studying some algorithm, but this is according to CBSE, and here we don't have to study the algorithm. Here only the basics of AI, developing life skills through concept building. Scheme of studies. Now artificial intelligence, you can see this is the syllabus I have made you understand. Part A is same for everybody. Communication skills 2, self management skill 2, this is the marks. 2 marks question will come, total 10 marks. ICT skills 2, entrepreneur skill 2, green skill 2. All two first part is in class 9, and subject specific. In subject specific I have made you understand about IT 402. In IT 402 we were having digital documentation, electronic spreadsheet, database management, and maintain health and security. They have eliminated networking concept. Now in artificial intelligence we have introduction to AI, which will consider 7 marks, AI project cycle 9 marks, advanced Python to be assessed in practical only. There will be practical examination of 30 practical sessions. There will be several programming. Like class 11 and 12, CBSE is launching their different set of programming questions which are used to evaluate students. So data science is also there, introduction application of data science. Data science getting started up to data access, 4 marks. Next we have computer vision also, where we have introduction application of computer vision, introduction application of computer vision. Then we have here, see here, this is a detailed curriculum I was telling you. Then getting started with the RGB images, red, green, and blue. We know the color code red, green, and blue, 4 marks. Natural language processing, 8 marks. Evaluation, 8 marks. Total 40 marks. Practical 5 with minimum 15 program. Practical examination में we have 3 unit 3, 4, and 5. Advanced Python 5 marks, data science 5 marks, computer vision 5 marks. And Viva will be 5 marks, so total 35 marks. There will be project work of 10 marks. It could be a field visit or it could be a student portfolio. And then again the Viva will be there. Like student used to make some project. Like in class 10 we used to give, like in IT 402, they need to make a database. So I have given project like school management, student management. Here also they will be making some project, but the project will be based on artificial intelligence. So grand total 200 hours and 100 marks total. Next, detailed curriculum. You can see first part is already clear, subject specific. This is the explanation of the detailed curriculum, foundational concept of AI, understanding the concept of human intelligence and its various components such as reasoning, problem solving, and creativity. Where the session is what is intelligence? What is intelligence? Intelligence is the ability to analyze something. That there will be intelligence means why there is a need of intelligence. There is a problem. Suppose there is a puzzle And if somebody is able to solve the puzzle, then that person is considered to be intelligent. What is intelligence? Intelligence means we consider in a person intelligent if he or she is able to solve a question and able to qualify some examination, competitive examination, and clear the job profile, then that person is considered to be intelligent. Now, decision making, whether a person is good in decision making or not, how do you make decision? So these things we will consider with respect to the machine. How do a machine take decision? How can a machine can choose between some option? What is artificial intelligence and what is not? There is a confusion also that people consider everything based on artificial intelligence. So we need to analyze the person who are there is a concept artificial AI bias where we will see that there is a mass collection of people who are not aware about the AI things. So if we are talking about some chatbots, so there are some chatbot who are which are trained and there are some chatbots which are not trained. So the trained chatbots means trained machine is considered to be AI machine and untrained machine are not considered to be AI machine. Now basics of AI. Understand the concept of AI and its domain. Now introduction to AI and related terminology. We will study about AI, machine learning and data science. Introduction to AI domain. Data science will be there. CV and NLP, natural language processing. Gamified tools for each domain. There will be data science. Impact filter will be there. What is impact filter? Impact of rise in temperature on different species. What is CV? Auto draw is there. CV pair machine learning with drawing from talent artist to help you draw stuff fast. AI is also the study of images, different type of images. Whenever you are filling an application form, you are getting nowadays a captcha which where you they will ask you question like whether you are a human or not and whether you are able to identify whether it is a means based on some image quizzes. So the those will be also considered under CV. Now the next thing is NLP. NLP may we need to study about word tune. What is word tune? It is an AI writing tool that rewrite, rephrase or and rewards your writing. Then we have the explore the use of AI in real life. Session will be application of AI, a look at real life AI implementation, learn about the ethical concern involved in AI development, such as AI bias and data privacy and how they can be addressed. I told you about AI bias means there is a majority of population who are not aware about AI things, they are not trained, they are not aware how to use chat GPT and all. And there are a collection of people who are aware, they are computer techie people. Now we will study the ethics. Nowadays we know that everything is online, from online shopping to online purchasing to trading and all. So there is some ethical concern. So we need to study about AI ethics also. You see, AI ethics may we have a moral machine activity, a platform for gathering a human perspective on moral decision made by machine learning, such as self-driving car. We have Tesla is there. Now AI project cycle. What is AI project cycle? In AI project cycle, we have different phases. First is introduction. In introduction, we need to study, understand the stage involved in AI project cycles such as first one is problem scoping, data collection, data exploration, modeling, evolution. What are the phases? Problem scoping, data collection, data exploration, and modeling, evaluation. So, what will be the session? Introduction to AI project cycle. Now, what is problem scoping? Learn about the importance of project planning in AI development and how to define project goal and objective. Like when we were studying SDLC phase, software development life cycle, then there will be problem identification of problem, then identification of variable, then putting of the variable, and then solution. So here we have problem scoping, means identification of the problem. Now, what are the session? Understand problem scoping and sustainable development goal. SDG we need to study in part A also. After problem scoping, we have data acquisition. What is data acquisition? Develop an understand of the importance of data collection in AI and how to choose the right data source. Nowadays, we are getting various options where we need to choose between multiple options. So there is a vast field of AI which is called data acquisition. Here, what we need to do, simplifying data acquisition. This also I will explain in detail. Now, next one is data exploration. Exploration means to find out. Know various data exploration technique and its importance. So here we will study about the visualizing data. We know that AI is also the study of images and audio, videos also. So based on the visual information, we will analyze the data and we will come to the conclusion. Now the next phase is modeling. Know about the different machine learning algorithm used to train AI model. We will study about different machine learning algorithm. There are some algorithm based on which our AI is trained. Our AI is trained. So it is data science. Let me go up. So means I explain you. I was explaining you AI project cycle. AI project cycle evolution. We have done till problem scoping, data acquisition, data exploration, then modeling. In modeling, we will study visualizing data, introduction to modeling, introduction to rule based and learning based AI approach. Rule based and AI approach, there are various concepts inside AI. What are the activity? Teachable machine to demonstrate supervised learning. We have two type of AI, supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Supervised means where we have trained and unsupervised means where we have not trained. Activity is infinite drum machine to demonstrate unsupervised learning. We have different game also, TikTok, tic tac toe, and we have different kind of puzzles also which are played with the help of AI, and we have different games also. We can change the image. We can now Photoshop. We can use Photoshop in the next level to the next level by using AI. Every software is now has some AI inbuilt features like Canva, like Photoshop, like Filmora. We have Filmora. Every software is now promoting or proposing some of the facilities which are included with AI. What are the activity? Infinite drum. You can see what are the activity? Infinite drum machine to demonstrate unsupervised learning. Introduction to supervised and unsupervised. Here we'll need to study about reinforcement learning. We have studied in child psychology about reinforcement, and then we'll study about neural network. In AI, we'll study about neural networks also. That it is same as the when we have some reflex and our neurons send the signal to our brain. Just like that, we have here the concept of neural network, which sends the instruction to the machine what it has to do. Now I'll be defining you the next AI project cycle. In AI project cycle data acquisition, this we have done. Now we'll study about the third part, that is advanced Python. Understand to work with Jupyter Notebook, creating virtual environment, installing Python package, session Jupyter Notebook. Till now we have studied about IDLE and PyCharm. Now we'll study about Jupyter Notebook. Able to write basic Python program using fundamental concepts such as variables, data types, operators, and control structure. Introduction to Python. Able to use Python built-in functions and library which will come inside Python basics. Now in the unit 4 we'll study about data science. What is the introduction of data science? Define the concept of data science and understand its application in various fields. What will be the session? Say introduction to data science. Application of data science. Getting started. Understand the basic concept of data acquisition, visualization, and exploration. What will be the session? Revisiting AI project cycle, data collection, data access activity. There is a game rock, paper, and scissor. Now, data science unit 4. We'll study about Python packages. We know we have different packages when we write Python programming. Use Python library like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. NumPy and Pandas are different library. We are using certain set of programming. For NumPy, like for matrices, we are using NumPy. For Pandas, we are using inside Pandas, we are using different set of programming. Matplotlib is used for to draw the graph when we have to plot a graph, when we have to plot x-axis, y-axis, and when we have to analyze the data based on some data we need to analyze, and we need to draw some graph, then we are using matplotlib. Session Python for data science. We'll study about NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. Now, concept of data science. Understand the basic concept of statistics. We'll study the statistics also, such as mean, median, mode, and standard deviation. Also, apply them to analyze data using various Python package. What will be the session? Statistical learning and data visualization. Next one is K nearest neighbor mode. Understand the basic concept of the KNN algorithm and its application in supervised learning. What will be the activity? Personality prediction. See, there can be question like which algorithm is used to detect the personality prediction. So the answer will be KNN algorithm. The session will be understanding K nearest neighborhood. This curriculum, what I am never model. This curriculum, what I am explaining you, questions will come from this exact curriculum. Like in IT 402, after seeing the questions, 2 to 3 year question, I am able to analyze that there are certain topics from where question will come. Here also, when you learn this entire curriculum, question will definitely come from here, and you need to be aware about the type of question that there will be objective question, there will be application based question, case based question. Now next one is computer vision. What is there inside computer vision? Define the concept of computer vision and understand its application in various fields. Session will be introduction to computer vision, application of computer vision. Next one is concept of computer vision. Computer vision, I told you that it is a domain of AI. Understand the basic concept of image representation, feature extraction, object detection, and segmentation. Here, the concept of computer graphics will be helpful, where we have studied in our master computer graphics. So, as a teacher, this chapter will be aligned to the basic concept of computer graphics. Now, what will be the session? Understanding CV concept, computer vision task, basics of image. Pixel, we know that pixel is a basic of image. Several pixel constitute an image. We will study resolution, that thousand of pixel constitute and make a resolution of an image. Pixel value, grayscale, RGB image. What is the value of red, green, blue? What will be the activity? Emoji, scavenger hunt, RGB calculator, create your own pixel art, create your own convolution. Convolution. Computer vision next part is OpenCV. What is OpenCV? Use Python libraries such as OpenCV for basic image processing and computer vision tasks. What will be the session? Introduction to OpenCV. Hand-on activity will be image processing. Next one is convolution operator. It is optional. Apply the convolutor operator to process image and extract useful feature. What will be the session? Understanding convolution operator. Next one is neural network. We will study about neural network, where we will study about the basic architecture of CNN, neural network, and its application in computer vision and image recognition. What we need to study? Introduction to CNN. It is also these things, these are the, you can see these are highlighted, means these are the optional one. Understand CNN. Here also we need to study about kernel. Kernel we have studied in operating system also, that kernel is the basic part, core of operating system. Layers of CNN, we'll study testing CNN. Next, we'll study natural language processing. What is natural language processing? Nowadays, we know that we have the example of Alexa, Siri, and Google Voice, where we are giving some instruction, and based on our voice, the data is processed, and we are getting the output based on our input. So, this is called natural language processing. What is the introduction of natural language processing? Understand the concept of NLP and its importance in the field of AI. Now, what will be the session? Introduction to Natural Language Processing. What will be the activity? Use of Google Translate for same spelling words. What will be the session? NLP application. Session revisiting AI project cycle. Again, we'll study the AI project cycle and we'll use the AI project cycle in NLP. We'll study about chatbot, explore the various application of NLP in everyday life, such, such as chatbot, sentiments analysis, and automatic summarization. We'll study the activity introduction to chatbots. Then we'll study language differences, gain an understanding of the challenges involved in the understanding of human language by machine. We'll study the session like human language versus computer language. Then the next one is concept of natural language processing. We'll learn about the text normalization technique used in NLP and popular NLP model, that is the bag of words. We'll do the session data processing, which is text normalization and bag of words. What will be the hand-on activity? The hand-on activity will be text processing, data processing, and bag of words. There will be TFI, DF, and NLTK. These things are optional. Many things are omitted from the CBSE syllabus in IT 402 as well as in AI. And AI, it is highlighted already. The next section is evaluation. Now, the introduction of evaluation will be role of evaluation in the development and implementation of AI system. What is evaluation? Different type of evaluation technique: underfit, perfect fit, overfit. Now we have made AI tools. We are using AI tools. Now we need to evaluate whether a machine is giving us instruction. So whether the instructions are correct. So we have some evaluation technique which are underfit, perfect fit, and overfit. Model evaluation terminology. What are there in model evaluation terminology? Model inside model evaluation. I don't know what happened to my keys, that my things are going and going. Model evaluation terminology. Inside model evaluation terminology, we will study the various model evaluation terminology, the scenario, prediction, reality, and we'll study the see what happened. This glitches will come. See, my computer is not AI. I don't have AI features, so I can get the difficulty. Now I need to go up. This is the whole book. I was there in the curriculum, then I will get inside the book. Here we have different programs also. Language differences, introduction, then model evolution technology, we have predictions, then we have reality, then we have after prediction true positive, true negative, false positive, false negative, then we have confusion matrix also. Matrix we have studied in our computer graphics also. What are the activity we need to do? We need to make a confusion matrix based on the data given for containment zone prediction model. Then we will study about the next concept is confusion matrix. In confusion matrix, we need to learn to make a confusion matrix for given scenario. A scenario will be given. What is a scenario? I have made you understand in IT 402 that scenario is a set of condition. So students, I'll be teaching you the next things in the next video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.